Good morning, friends. Today we will see Sniderman's 8 golden rules of interface design. Sniderman 8 golden rules provide a key principle of interface design. These rules of interface design that are used to design your system in usable manner. Means that system should be usable. Means that users should use your system in efficient, in familiar way. There are 8 golden rules. First one is that strive for consistency. Use familiar icons, colors, menu, hierarchy, call to action, and user flow when designing the similar situation and a sequence of action. So this is called as a strive for consistency. Consistent sequence of actions should be required in similar situation. Identical terminology should be used in promotes and menus and help the screen, and consistent command should be implied throughout. For example, a certain style of button should always do the same thing, or navigation should function logically, going deeper in hierarchy. Okay, so these are the examples. So look at this, that this is the same style of buttons, in that this button is used to handle the control of AC only. Okay, means that it is useful for the same feature, and it is a logically working. Okay, means that AC will be on of the front end, back end, and also a different end. Okay, so this is an example of strive for consistency. So this is the first golden rule. Second golden rule: enable the frequent user to use the shortcut. Provide the keyboard shortcut to frequent user so they can complete the task quickly. That is the main use of these golden rules. So design the system in such way that user easily use that particular system. As the frequency of use increases, so do the user desire to reduce the number of interaction, and to increase the pace of interaction. Abbreviation, function key, hidden command, and micros facility are the very helpful to the expert user. Okay, in that example is that abbreviation, different function key, hidden commands, and micro facilities. So look at this. This is one of the example of enable the frequent user to use the shortcut. For example, for the cut, we use the here control X, and copy we use the control C, and to paste the we use the control V. Okay, mean that design the system in such way that any application that user can easily use your application. Mean that it is a easy user interface. Third one, offer informative feedback. So this is the third golden rules. From informative feedback, known where they are at and what is going on at all time. For every operator action, and there should be some system feedback for frequent and minor action. The responses can be modest, while for infrequent and major action, the response should be more substantial. Example, so this is the one example that is offer informative feedback. When we submitting the any application, that application should give the feedback whether the application submitted successfully or not. Okay, so this is one example. Here is a dialog, that in that dialog mentioned here, are you sure you want to quit this process? Okay, mean that we close your windows. Then after that, it dialog box will be appear. Next, golden rules design dialogue to yield the closure. Sequence of actions should be organized into group with a beginning, middle, and end. Okay, mean that step by step. The informative feedback at the completion of the group of action gives the operator the satisfaction of accomplishment, a sense of relief, and signal to drop the contingency plan, an option from their mind, and an indication that their way is clear to prepare the next action of action. So example is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, means that it provide design dialogue to yield the closer. For example, you want to reach the particular station, mean that we count the station. Okay, in such way that you want to create any user interface, how much timing is remaining to reach the particular destination. Fifth one, offer simple error handling, means that no one likes to be told they are wrong, especially your user. System should be designed to be as foolproof as possible, but when unavoidable error occurs, ensure users are provided with simple, initiative step-by-step instruction to solve the problem as quickly and painlessly as possible. Mean that offer simple error handling feedback. Okay, mean that provide the some dialogue that using that dialogue user can reduce the error as much as possible. Design the system so user can make the serious error. If an error is made, the system should be able to detect the error and offer simple comprehensive mechanism for handling the error. Okay, so this is a one example in that this dialog box will be appear when user submitting or uh, close the any icon. Okay, so this is a one example. Are you sure want to permanently delete the all the atoms and subfolder in the deleted atoms folder? Yes or not? Similarly, save the changes to rollover? Yes or not? In that, design such kind of user interface that user can easily use your system. Permit the easy reversal of action, means that designer should aim to offer the user obvious way to reverse their action. Means that this feature relieves anxiety since the user know that error can be undone. It does encourage exploration of the unfamiliar option. Thus, the unit of reversibility may be a single action, a data entry, or complete group of action. So this is an example of reversal of action. Browse all version, means that we can browse all the version. For example, you want to browse the version number 1.2. Then version number of 1.0, means that this is a reversal of action. Support internal locus of control. Allow your user to be initiator of action. Give the user the sense that they are in full control of events occurring in the digit space. Experienced operators strongly desire the sense that they are in the charge of the system and that the system responds to their action. Design the system to make the user initiator of action rather than the responder. So this is a example of support the internal locus of control. Reduce the short-term memory load. The limitation of human information processing in short-term memory require that display be kept simple, multiple page display be consolidated, Windows option frequency be reduced, and efficient training time to be allowed for the course, and memory and sequence of action. In that user should not have get any difficulty while using the user graphical user interface. So this is an example to reduce the short-term memory, mean that provide all the options that user can easily handle your information and complete the task in less time. Okay, so this is the 8 golden rules. Thank you. Thank you very much.